Drawing a person may seem challenging, but it can be simple when approached methodically using the ball and socket technique, which involves sketching conjoined ovals to represent body parts and poses. Begin by sketching a scene that reflects for your characters without worrying too much about details. Then, create a wireframe for the figures, adding ovals to represent joints. Gradually build the body shapes to fill in your wireframe and add details to the faces and clothing, keeping in mind the differences in proportions between men and women. Avoid sketching at eye level for a more realistic perspective. Refine the sketch with a smaller tip tool and outline your drawing clearly. Finally, erase any unnecessary marks, add color, and sign your work, ensuring everything aligns with the scene's weather and context.